I'll use the risk calculator on TradeLocker. So I'll switch to limit. I'll enable the risk calculator and click on SL and TP. And this is how powerful this tool is, because it allows me to easily switch. Well, I'll switch to sell. It's a sell order, or I get a short or sell. And then I can decide how much I want to risk. This allows you to easily type that number. So let's say I have in this account, let's say I have $60,000 and I just don't want to risk more than $600 in this position, for example. That's it. So this is how much you're risking. It's saying it's almost 1% of your balance, and it automatically calculates the size for you, the lot size, as you can see, because this uses leverage in this specific case. You can easily say how much you want to risk, and it will do the math for you. And then you move your stop loss wherever you want. And notice how the lot size is changing. The calculation of the lot size is changing. See, based on how I'm moving things, it's automatically doing the math, redoing it, changing everything for you.